Right, we are going to do a quick box break. Thanks to the guys for this. Still got this on. You know, both the legs are in plaster. You know, I've taken my arms at the sling for this, but you know, when these guys want a box break, I guess we'll have to do it. So, alright, in this one we've got Joe, Ben, Stephen, Gavin and myself. So there's 5 of us in this. We're doing 2 boxes with 10 combined hits. Got all our names down here. We'll determine a sequence. The first name from this is going to get 2 totally certified hits because we'll do that box first, and that's got 5 in. So, first name out is Ben. Ben's going first. Second name out is Joe. Third one out is myself. Fourth one out is Gavin. And then the 5th one is Stephen. Okay. So, we're starting off with 2013 Totally Certified. 6 packs, 6 hits. So, everyone will get one of these, and then Ben will get a second one before we go to the Crown Royale. Okay, so start this side. First pack, so this is Ben. See what we get out of this one. Okay, we start off with base cards. Calvin Johnson. Base card of Andy Dalton. There is a Thanksgiving card of Aaron Rodgers. I don't think I've seen them in red before, so I don't know if there is a parallel version to that or not. Okay, it's a nice one. This is a nice one. This is a really nice one. We've got a patch jersey card, Des Bryant. I'm sure Ben, as a Giants fan, will greatly appreciate that one. I reckon I know what he's going to do with that one. Nice patch card. It's a totally gold, and it is numbered just 6 out of 25. Okay, so good start there. There's Bryant, nice patch card. That's Ben's. And last card's another Thanksgiving card, and it's a Roddy White. Okay, so it's off to a decent start. Those are Ben's. Second up is Joe. I will go across the top of the box. First pack for Joe, and it has a base card of Alfred Morris, a base card of Philip Rivers. It's got a base of Ray Rice, although it looks like a totally red parallel of Ray Rice. We've got another jersey card. This is a Demarius Thomas Broncos jersey card. It's a totally blue, this one, and this one is number 22 out of 99. Okay, so that's Joel's, and then he finishes off with another Thanksgiving card, Tony Dorsett, the Cowboys. Okay, pack 1 for Joe. Third is myself, so carrying on across the top. Get the third pack out there, and I get a base card of Ryan Tannehill, a base card of Russell Wilson, a rookie card of Marcus Lattimore, not numbered or anything. Then I've got a Giants autograph card of David Wilson. Nice signature. It's like a blue parallel. This one is numbered 24 out of 25. So again, a nice one. David Wilson. And then I finish off with a Thanksgiving card of Chris Carter. So that's my first pack. Next one up is Gavin. So, one off the box, Gav. Let's see who you've got. Okay, we start with the base card of Danny Amendola for the Patriots. Then we have a rookie card of Jordan Reed, the Redskins. It looks like it's a totally blue parallel. It's not numbered. Oh yeah, it is numbered. It's numbered 88 of 99 down in the corner. Okay, so it's a rookie parallel card. There is a nice brick gas to go in your set, but you do have Giants autos all the way here. Demontre Moore rookie autograph. Another Giants one. There's two Giants autos out of this box. That one is numbered 132 out of 499 down in the corner. Okay, and then Gav gets two of the Thanksgiving inserts. We've got Bob Greasy, the Dolphins, and then we've got Paul Hornung of the Packers. So that is Gav's first. Two to go. Stephen, first pack for you. And you start off with a base card of Doug Martin. Then you have a rookie of Denard Robinson. Nice jag for you. Denard Robinson rookie card. Then you have a jersey card, a Stitches in Time of Sam Bradford of the Rams. Okay, that one is serial numbered 179299. Okay, then you've got two Thanksgivings. They are Troy Aikman and then Jim Taylor, another Packer. So that's pack one for Stephen. So last pack in Totally Certified, staying in the sequence, is going to go to Ben, which finishes that box off. Ben had the Des Bryant jersey card earlier. We start with a Ray Rice base this time. Then he gets a Cowboys rookie of Joseph Randall. Okay. Then he gets a nice rookie jersey auto of Mike Glennon of the Bucks. That's quite smart. Autograph jersey signature there. And this one is serial numbered 145 out of 149. Okay, so two nice ones for Ben. And there's a Champ Bailey Thanksgiving. Another one of those to finish off, so Donald Driver Thanksgiving. Okay, so that's Ben's. So Ben's had his 2 packs and 2 hits. Now we're moving on to the Crown Royale. So there'll be one each for Joe, myself, Gavin and Stephen. And here I don't think anyone's really opened any of these yet. So there we are, 4 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the top one. This is going to be Joe, your first stop. So Cecil Shorts, base card. This is a fun one. Right, Joe. BJ Daniels, Seahawks. Says Seahawks at the bottom. Pictured in a 49ers autograph rookie card. You guys can tell me where he is at the moment, probably with neither of your teams. So, clearly he started out with the Seahawks. He started out with the 49ers and then signed by Seahawks 2nd of October 2013. And it's serial numbered 18 out of 25, so it's a nice low numbered one. Sort of a holofoil, I would say, or something on the crown bit. So there you go. So he's in 49ers, but according to this, with Seahawks. So that'll be an interesting one for Gav and Joe to scrap over. A nice brick card. And then, Joe, you have a Rob Gronkowski Pivotal Players insert. Okay. Then you finish up with rookie card of Caleb Sturgis of the Dolphins. And Maurice Jones-Drew of the Jags. Okay, so that's in Joe's lot. Myself next Crown Royale pack. See what we get. Okay, I start off with a Alfred Morris base card. My hit is a Philip Rivers All-Pro jersey card. Okay, numbered out of 299. So it's the actual swatch is from the Pro Bowl jersey, presumably. I can't imagine. I've never seen any red in the Chargers uniform, so it's like a Pro Bowl jersey card. It's slightly different. Okay. Next up is a Panini's Choice Award insert of Cordarrelle Patterson. Okay, like die cut into like an award shape. This is a throwback to something they used to do in sort of 95, 96. They did these in like jumbo inserts. And this is clearly like a gold parallel version of some sort. Up in the corner it says 9 of 25, so quite a low numbered one. Cordarrelle Patterson. Okay, then I get a Zach Stacy rookie card. And finish up with a Julio Jones base card. So that concludes my 2 packs worth. 2 packs to go. 2 Stooges to go. Gavin's up next. And he starts off. Gavin, love this one. He will absolutely love it. It's a base card of Richard Sherman. Been loving that one, Gavin. Okay, that's your first card. Whoa. Gavin has a redemption card. This is nice. Right, Gavin. You have got a Crown Royale Panini's Choice Signatures Silver autograph card. I think the Panini's Choice are these. It's one of these autographs. Okay. And it is of Colin Kaepernick. How about that for a 49ers fan? A nice autographed, I mean, I know it's a redemption, but autograph card of Colin Kaepernick for a 49ers fan. Makes up for the Richard Sherman coming out first. Eh? So there you go, Gavin. You also have another brick. That's a pair you've got now. So you're doing well in that set as well. All good. You've then got a Michael Floyd Gold Parallel Crown Royale. This one is numbered 94 out of 99. Okay. And then you have a Michael Cox rookie card from the Giants. And finish off with a Chris Johnson Titans. Okay, so that's Gav's second pack. 1 pack to go for Stephen. And we're all done. Not been a bad couple of boxes. A couple of nice hits in there. So let's see. Stephen has a base card of Matt Forte. Then a brick card, which Gavin will trade highly for, I reckon. Okay, autograph rookie card for you, Stephen, is Timothy Wright of the Bucks. He is now a Patriot, I do believe. So I think that's him they traded for, wasn't it? Tight end. Yeah. Timothy Wright, numbered out of 125. So if he turns into the next Gronkowski, you never know, that one could be jumping up. You've got a gold parallel rookie of Philip Thomas. This one's numbered 73 out of 99. Okay, Redskins. And you've also got a rookie of Kenny Vaccaro of the Saints. And you've got a base of Anquan Boldin. So Boldin and Sherman in the same pack, head to head, with a Kaepernick. So there you go, 2 packs each, 2 hits each. Really good stuff. Pick of the bunch has got to be that redemption of Gavin's. Take a quick look again. Have a look in a minute, see what the value is on that. But can't be bad. Kaepernick autograph. Don't know if you, I think you might have one yet, Gav. Not sure, but there you go. Anyway, so that's Gav's all sorted. I'm going to go and get my my arms back in the sling and get back up and get the nurse working on me and catch you all again later.